teach CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8 Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.2, second question. Now let's read the question. On comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point or parallel or coincident. Okay, so we are supposed to find it. Okay, of course you guys know the rules, right? I just told you guys. Okay, so there are three subdivisions. Let us try to solve first and second subdivision in this video, and later on we can focus on third. Okay, if possible I will solve all the subdivisions as well. Okay, so this is the first subdivision, that is 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So I am going to write it in another paper. Okay guys, so this is the first subdivision. Okay, so now we are going to be solving it. Okay, so whenever we want to find something is parallel or coincident or intersecting lines, we are supposed to take write 5x minus 4y as it is, and here we have plus 8, right? We are supposed to take it to next side, so it changes into minus 8. Okay, why? Because it will be really useful for us. Okay, and here also first let's write 7x plus 6y is equal to minus 9. When it will go to this side, it changes into plus 9. Okay, so now we are supposed to write the a1 value, a2 value. Okay, so here a1 by a2 is equal to, and we are supposed to write b1 value divided by b2 value, and then we are supposed to write c1 value divided by c2 value. Okay, then we are supposed to state whether it is intersecting lines or parallel or coincident lines. Okay, so first of all, how to find the a1 value and a2 value? So here we have an equation, isn't it? We have two equations. So here we are supposed to write only the coefficients, that mean numbers. Even the signs are important. Okay, alright, so here the coefficient of x is 5, then I can write 5, and then we have divided by, and down under this number we have 7x. So here the coefficient is 7, then divided by 7. Okay, so here we have few values, right? So here we are supposed to take this as a1 and this one as a2, this one as b1, this one as b2, this one as c1, and this one as c2. Okay, likewise we are supposed to take. Alright, so here next we have minus 4y plus 6y. So here what is the coefficient? So the coefficient is 4, even the minus is important. So here the b1 value is minus 4 divided by, and here we have 6, the coefficient, so 6. And next we have c1 divided by c2, that is the constant term. So here the constant term, it is minus 8 and 9. So minus 8 divided by 9. Okay, so now we got three values. So when you just check it out, the three values are different, isn't it? So here are they similar, guys? The numbers are totally different from each other. Then I can say a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Okay, so whenever we have like this rule, then we write intersecting lines, isn't it? Whenever you have like this rule, no, so here nothing is equal, right? Everything is different values. So whenever we get different values, we are supposed to write intersecting lines. Okay, so this is our answer. So it was pretty easy, isn't it? So try to write the rule as well. Why? Because that is important. Okay, so now let us look at the second subdivision. Okay guys, so this is the second subdivision. Okay, I just told you guys we are supposed to take the constant term outside. So let us do that. So 9x plus 3y is equal to plus 12, then it will change to minus 12, and 18x plus 6y is equal to minus 24. Okay, so now we are supposed to write the a1 value. So a1 value, that is 9, and the a2 value is 18, and then if you want you can write it like this. Okay, for your understanding only I am writing. So b1 value here it is 3. So here now these both values we take it as a values. Okay, so the second values we take it as b values and the last term is c values. Okay, so a b c. Okay, like that, and then b2 value is 6 comma and c1 value is minus 12 and c2 value is minus 24. Okay, so now we can write, right? Okay, so a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2 is equal to c1 divided by c2. So now we know the values, right? So you can write 9 by 18. You can actually cancel it. So 1 9 is 9, 9 2s are 18. So here 3 by 6. So 1 3 is 3, 3 2s are 6. So minus 12 by 24. Okay, so cancel the signs. So we can solve it in 6th table. So 6 2s are 12 and 6 4s are it is 24. So 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So we got 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, isn't it? We got like that value. Then I can say everything is similar, isn't it? So in the numerator everything is 1 and the denominator everything is 2. Okay, then everything is similar. Then I can apply this rule, that is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. I can actually apply this rule, isn't it? So what is the lines? So whenever we have like this rule, no, we are supposed to write the lines as well, isn't it? So here it is coincident. Okay, why am I writing lines right over here? Why? Because in the question they had mentioned we are supposed to, once again, yeah, we are supposed to represent whether it is intersecting lines or parallel lines or coincident. Okay, so here it is coincident. So this is the answer for second subdivision. So now let's solve the third subdivision. So this is the third subdivision, that is the last subdivision of this particular question. Okay, so now let us take the constant terms outside. So minus 10 and then 2x minus y is equal to minus 9. Okay, so here what is the a1 value? So a1 value is 6 and the a2 value is 2 comma b1 value is minus 3 and b2 value is minus 1. Okay, so minus y means minus 1, the coefficient is 1. Okay, and then comma c1 value is minus 10 and then c2 value is minus 9. Okay, so now we can write a1 by a2. Okay guys, so now let's write the a1 divided by a2, that is 6 by 2 is comma and then b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 divided by minus 1 and then comma c1 divided by c2, that is minus 10 by minus 9. Okay, so now we can actually cancel the values. 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are it is 6, minus let us cancel it, and here let us cancel the minus. So here you can see 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3 divided. So I got like this value, 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3 by 1 and it is not equal to 10 by 9, isn't it? So what is the rule guys? So the rule is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So this is the rule we studied, right? Okay, so what is the meaning of this rule? So whenever we get like this rule, no, it is parallel. So parallel lines. Okay, so finally we solved this question, that is the second question.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.